Have you ever found the perfect image, banner, poster, advertisement, or social media graphic, only to realize that the text needs to be changed? Maybe a product price has been updated, a phone number has changed, a website address needs correction, or you'd simply like to use the same design with different wording. Recreating the entire artwork from scratch can take hours, and in many cases, it's simply not necessary. That's where our professional image text editing service makes the difference. Image text editing is much more than typing new words over an existing image. Every professional design is built using carefully selected fonts, precise spacing, balanced alignment, realistic shadows, color gradients, texture, and perspective. Even a small mismatch can make an edited image look obvious and unprofessional. Our goal is to make every edit look as though it was part of the original design from the very beginning. Every project starts with a detailed inspection of the artwork. We carefully analyze the typography, identify the closest possible font, match the exact font weight, size, spacing, color, opacity, shadows, outlines, gradients, and blending effects. If the original font isn't publicly available, we manually recreate the appearance so the replacement text blends naturally with the surrounding design. Background reconstruction is another important part of the process. When text is removed, the area underneath often needs to be rebuilt. We carefully restore textures, patterns, lighting, reflections, gradients, and design elements so there are no visible traces of editing. The final image maintains its original quality while appearing completely natural. Whether you're updating a business advertisement, refreshing a promotional banner, modifying a product graphic, improving a website image, adjusting marketing materials, updating social media content, changing labels, editing presentation graphics, or customizing digital artwork, we provide clean, accurate, and professional results with great attention to detail. Every image is handled individually. Different designs require different editing techniques, and that's why we never rely on shortcuts. Instead, we carefully recreate every visual detail so the finished image maintains a polished and professional appearance. Our workflow focuses on precision, consistency, and quality. We zoom into every section, inspect each character, compare spacing, adjust alignment, fine-tune colors, and ensure that the replacement text integrates perfectly with the original composition. Small details make a huge difference, and that's exactly where professional editing stands apart. High-quality image text editing is especially valuable for businesses that want to update existing marketing materials without redesigning everything from the beginning. It saves time, reduces costs, and allows brands to maintain a consistent visual identity across advertisements, promotional graphics, online stores, websites, presentations, and digital campaigns. We understand how important first impressions are. A poorly edited image can reduce credibility, while a professionally edited design builds trust and maintains a premium appearance. That's why we focus on producing edits that are clean, seamless, and visually consistent. No matter how simple or complex the project may be, we approach every design with the same commitment to quality. From a single word to multiple sections of text, every modification is completed with careful attention to typography, layout, and overall visual balance. Our mission is simple: deliver professional image text editing that looks completely natural, preserves the original design, and meets the highest quality standards. If you're looking for accurate, high-quality, and visually seamless image text editing, you've come to the right place. Let us help you transform your existing graphics while preserving the professional look you already have. Get in touch today and let's give your images a fresh new message without compromising their original quality.